tawag nito, pag-send out.
Luxembourg ang kalaban ng Roma ngayon. Malalaking player ng Luxembourg.
Our third game.
Dito tayo makakakita ng magandang laban ngayon.
Good luck po sa ating...
Good luck.
Backstreet Boys yata itong lalaro sa Luxembourg. Mga Go-Pigs.
It's game time. Bali ang panalo po ngayon ay ang United Kingdom versus Proudly Pinoy ng 1 point. Pangilinan, kuha ni Pangilinan.
Pangilinan. To Cabarrubia.
Pangilinan, nagsaset na play. Very physical lang ano ha.
Still by number 7.
Ito pa ang laro ng ano.
Number 15. 4-3.
Rebound by Cabarrubia.
Amis by number 15. Rebound by number 10. Cabarrubia. A jumper by Cabarrubia. Wala. And a rebound by number 7.
Wala pa rin nakaka-first blood. First blood.
Yes, the first 2 points coming from number 6.
Luxembourg.
Redondo. Araha.
Very different lineup po ngayon para sa Team Roma.
10 to shoot.
Cabarrubia versus
6 to shoot.
And there's a foul. A foul on number 7.
first free throw for Cabarrubia is good.
Yes, pasok. Two 1.
Two free throws, good for Cabarrubia.
Number 15.
All two.
To number 4. Yes, by number 4.
Another shot
What a
again.
fake.
Araha, dribbling the ball. Familiar faces po yan mga yan, si Arnel.
Dapat pala dito ako naglaro sa Luxembourg.
Pangilinan,
Para pogi kami lahat.
1-on-1.
Wag ka na, pre-B1.
Redondo. To number 15.
12 to shoot.
Number 7 for 3. Kaboom! Number 7.
Magaling tong number 7.
2 points lang daw, 2 points.
Only 2 points.
2 points lang, 2 points. 2 points lang yun, 2 points.
6-2 for Luxem.
Cabarrubia.
Hindi ng physicality.
8 to shoot.
Pangilinan, rebound by number 7.
Wala. And, number 15.
Pinasa sa referee. Roma ball.
Araha. To Pangilinan.
Bagsak.
Yes.
Nabagsakan. Matindi ang laban sa ilalim. Part of the game talaga ang physicality. 4-6 in favor of Team Lux.
Number 7 again for 3. Amisin na number 10. Cabarrubia.
Block by
And a block. Number 7. And there's a foul. A foul on number 15.
A quick foul for
Pangilinan. Number 6.
rebound by Pangilinan. First quarter pa lamang tayo, last 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Cabarrubia.
12 to shoot.
Spin move again by Carapubia to
Pangilinan, and there's a block. A block by number 7.
the filthy block by number 7.
Palmino. Steven.
Aha,
Araha to number 14.
short shot.
Steven.
Physical talagang player.
What a pass. Beautiful play. Yes, by number 4. From number 7, Steven to number 4.
Dead ball nga. Pag time out.
4-8 ang ating Roma is asking for a timeout.
Pangilinan.
Pangilinan, easy layup.
Yes, easy shot by easy layup by Pangilinan.
Wala po si Dal ngayong araw
2 minutes and 25 seconds.
due to his injury. Wala mas sa still buyer.
Number 12.
Easy layup po.
Number 7, Steven. Wala pa rin, sayang. And a rebound by Pangilinan, number 15.
Makikita mo mga
Araha, 4-3. A miss and a rebound by number 15.
2 minutes.
Good pass na naman.
outside. Double win naman to.
Cambio.
Timeout, Luxembourg.
Pumasok na si Gomez.
Roma. Timeout, Roma.
Timeout for Gomez.
Parang Philippines ka tayo.
Sold out crowd po
Back to
tayo.
the ball game. 1 minute and 52 seconds. 8-6 is our score in favor of Luxembourg.
Back to our ball game.
Sino tao mo?
Ang ating score ay 6-8. 2-point lead for Team Lux. Ibang caliber ang mga teams na kasali ngayong araw na to.
Nasa loob na si Gomez ng Roma.
Pasok na si Gomez.
Steven. And there's a foul.
Sa foul for
Number 14.
very low scoring game tayo ngayon. Parehong defensive both teams. Number 7.
Portiguera.
Shot.
Portiguera. Portiguera. Second row by number 7. Yes.
Shot, good shot for 6-9 for Lux. Gomez.
Gomez.
Gomez, one of the deadliest shooter na
To Portiguera. Gomez. Yes, first 2 points agad. Idol, Gomez.
One and 25 seconds.
Number 12.
almost
Wala, na-rebound by Gomez.
Gomez still by
A steal. Number 4. Justin Bieber. Yes, by Justin Bieber.
number 4. Justin Bieber.
11-8. Gomez, 4-3.
First shot.
Wala, na-rebound by number 7, Steven. To number 6.
Iba ang confidence
To
ng
number
Bucks.
15.
Mga passing nila talagang very...
Number 12. Amish and Galicia. Number 24, Galicia.
Last 35 seconds.
Number 6.
Yan po mga player na yan ay mga half Filipino po.
Cambio.
There's a foul.
Si
A foul on number 13, Gomez.
number 6,
Cambio.
Number 15,
Substitution.
number 7. Mga half po sila.
Cambio. Substitution.
Pakishare
Ayun,
lamang
ba?
po sa mga kilala
Dugo
nyo,
ilong natin
mga
dito.
basketball lovers, gustong mapanood itong game na to. Sa mga kababayan natin dyan sa Roma.
Spokening dollar. Number 8 to number 7.
The fake by Palmiano. There's a foul. There's a foul again.
There's the foul on number 15,
11.
Pangilinan.
Last 20 seconds.
Even to sa number 7. 20 seconds. Yes, by number 7.
8-12. 4-point lead for...
Second personal foul on number 15, Pangilinan.
Good
Yes,
shot.
again by number 7, Steven.
Gomez.
Last 15 seconds. Ten seconds.
Gomez, 4-3.
Wala pa rin ang... Hindi pa rin makuha ni Gomez sa kanyang rating.
Last 4 seconds.
Muntik na yun.
Okay. Diyan nagtatapos ang first quarter. Ang score ay 8-13 in favor of Team Luxembourg. Pakishare nyo lamang sa
That's
mga...
the end.
Luxembourg ball.
Red ball. Change court.
Hindi pa change score. Hindi pa pala change score. Hindi pa. Nalito lang. Roma's ball, Roma. Blue ball.
Okay.
Hindi pa tayo change score.
second quarter.
Second quarter pa lang.
Walang tao.
Madali, gutom na yung timer natin.
Araha.
Gomez to Galicia. Araha. Back to Galicia to Gomez.
12 to shoot.
Bad pass. Recovered by number... There's a foul. A foul on number 13, Gomez.
Running time po ang ano natin dito. Second quarter na ang game. Turnover for Team Lux.
Blue ball.
Gomez.
Araha to Gomez. Back to Araha. Araha from the baseline. Wala. And a rebound by Steven. To number 15. To number 4.
What a pick by number 4. Follow up pa.
Wala pa rin.
Daming chances.
Wala pa rin. In and out. Traveling violation yun.
8-13 ang score natin. Sigaw na ang coach ng Roma.
Ang daming putback nun. Walang sumute. Number 8.
Body check!
To number 15. A man-to-man defense by Rome.
12 to shoot.
Palmiano. Number 7. Atipin. Yes. By number 4.
Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber.
8-15, 7-point lead for Team Luxembourg. 5 minutes sa ating second quarter. Pakishare lamang po sa mga kaibigan nyo.
Galicia.
Power move by Jojo.
And there's a foul.
There's a foul by number 15.
A foul on number 15.
Timeout for Team Roma.
Timeout. Rome.
Okay.
Ay, kasi sinusunod mo na. Dire-diretso na. Ang dami mo. Labo.
Okay, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa ating sponsor, si Miss Evelyn Amorin, TJ Salad Master, LBC, Hot and Cold, Full Frame Photography, Santo Tomas, Lito Rueda, Sinon Silva, Jeff and Melody, Loy Peñalosa, Dennis Makasait, alright, Merly Prieto, Camo Shanen. Ayan po ang ating mga sponsors. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Jojo. Tagal pa ho next game.
Given to sa number 46, ano ba yung Mecha? Second throw by Mecha. Wala, an offensive rebound. And steal by Steven.
Galing ko number 7 na to.
And there's a foul.
Foul by number 10.
A foul on number 10, Cabarubia.
Dikit na! Dikit na!
Number 6, Palmiano. Number 7, Steven.
Bilale!
Number 15, yes,
Another
from
shot
the
by
baseline.
number 15.
2 points.
17 na 8.
2 points lang. 17-8 is our score. Cabarubia. Blue ball. Araha.
10 to shoot.
Number 15. Very defensive team tong Luxembourg. Talagang marami silang experience. Makikita
3 to shoot.
the way sa kanyang paglalaro.
Gomez. 24
24 seconds.
seconds. Shot clock.
The ball will go to Luxembourg.
Thank you very much again, Miss Evelyn Amorin of King's Passion. Vines and olive oil. Arriban by number Mecca to Galicia. To Cabarubia. Yes. Number 8. To Lana. To Palmiano.
It's showtime.
Yes, by Palmiano. Lana. Palmiano 4-3. Arriban by Gomez. To Galicia. Yes. Counted yun.
12-19 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ng Lux.
2 minutes and 53 seconds.
Number 8. To Lana.
Sampo pag
Number 4. Yes.
Another shot by
Gomez.
still by number bagsakan ng katawan dito ngayon.
24.
Caracubia.
Cabarrubia. And there's a foul. Counting shot pa yun.
Cambio.
And one play by Caracubia.
And 1 yun. A foul on number 4.
Pakishare lamang po sa mga kababayan dyan sa Luxembourg at Roma para mapanood ho nila. Public po itong video, so lahat ho'y makakakita ng video. Third game po ito ng Euro Elite 1 Day League Tournament. Gagabihin po tayo dito, kaya enjoy lamang.
Number 8. No, ano na. Tapusin mo na.
Palmiano from outside again.
Wala. And nariwan by Pangilinan.
Number 6.
2 minutes.
Gomez. Wala pa rin.
Gomez. And there's a foul.
Gomez still
A foul on
1 out of 4.
Palmiano. Steven Palmiano. Cabarrubia. To Pangilinan.
Grabe ang physicality nito.
Cabarrubia to Gomez. And there's a foul. A foul on number 4. Skinny. Sack. Time out!
Time out.
Belgium. Belgium.
Anong kwanto?
Luxembourg. Luxembourg, Belgium. Luxembourg po pala yan. Luxembourg. Luxembourg.
Pantay nga niya ba? Last 1 minute and 26 seconds. Second quarter.
Juventus number 13, Gomez. 21-14 in favor of Luxembourg. Yes, split charity by Gomez.
One and 20 seconds.
Pass to Skinny. Lana. Yes, by Skinny.
Justin Bieber.
Mahusay ito si Skinny. Bata pa to eh. Skinny talaga. Yun ang ipilyo na talaga, Skinny. Pero Skinny talaga ha.
Parang Iliponga lang.
Cabarrubia. Yes, maganda na sana yon. Sumablay. Gomez.
44 seconds. 44 seconds remaining sa ating Araha. Inbound.
16 to shoot.
Araha. To Gomez. Back to Araha.
33 seconds.
Canopio. Chuhin ho ni Dal.
Cabarrubia.
What a pick by
There's a foul. A foul again for number 4 Skinny. Third personal foul on number 4 is Skinny of Luxembourg.
shoot 2 free throws.
Gabarubia. Wala, na-rebound by Redondo.
Last
Palmeano.
20 seconds.
Palmeano. To Redondo.
12 seconds.
Redondo.
7 seconds.
Redondo for 3. Amis. Recovered by Araha. Araha to Gomez.
Will it count?
Not counted.
Basket not count. Not counted po daw. Not counted sabi ng ating rep.
Okay, ating score ay 15-23.
Oh, Julius, huwag kang maingay dyan.
Favor of Team Luxembourg.
5 euro lang ang bayad mo. Nandito ka sa loob.